Welcome to Math Solutions. In this video, we will go over the division of radicals. We will start by simplifying the square root of 45 divided by 49. In the case of math problems such as this, we need to use the radical rule, which states that the square root of a fraction can be found by finding the square root of both the numerator and denominator separately. The square root of 45 is approximately 6.71. The square root of 49 is 7. Dividing these numbers gives us our answer, 0.96. Next, we will simplify the square root of 405 divided by 49. This time, we get a square root of 20.12 for 405. The square root of 49 is, of course, 7. This means our answer is 2.87. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out my Patreon at patreon.com/mathsolutionsx.